you can check. And the link is also given wherever it is possible. I have given the link. And the live streaming also started, I guess. Okay, 7:03. So 7:05 we shall start, and today's quiz is going to be completely mathematics riddles, and you will find it tricky and also a little difficult. So make sure you have a pen and paper handy. Yes, Rishika. Yeah, hi Rishika. So please be prepared, and whoever comes in the top 3 positions, I am going to ask them how they have solved the puzzle also. Okay, because we don't want the winners to be as a random or maybe by chance. So we shall also, I will check with them how they have solved the puzzle. So they need to give the explanation. So as of now we have 79 participants. 7:04 is the time. 7:05 I shall start. So in the meantime you can get ready with your rough paper or a pen or a pencil, something. You will have a picture. Along with that you will have a question. Okay, so based on the picture you will have you need to solve the puzzle. So I guess it's 7:05 now. Okay, wish you all good luck. I hope you are enjoying the quiz every day. So please try to like the video and also place your comments, so that it gives me little more encouragement to bring more quizzes for you guys. And you can challenge your friends by sharing this quiz link to them, and also you can ask your parents to have fun, playing with you this quiz. Okay, let's begin. We are running out of time. Good luck. So here comes the first question. So this picture shows a few circles and also a few dots are there. You need to tell me how many circles have dots. So each question is given 60 seconds today, because it's mathematical equations you have and few puzzles are there which might take time. So we have all different age group people here. So to comfort everyone, we have given 60 seconds. They arranged the time. 67 members were able to pick their choice within the time frame. Whereas the scoreboard, we have Tarun on the top, followed by Salim, Rutvik. 34 members answered this question correctly. So 12 circles have the dots. Moving on to the next question. Question number 2 on your screens now. So there is a picture given here. So you need to find out the weight of the 3 animals together. Okay, the participants who are not able to answer within the time, or maybe could not find the answers, There is nothing to get disappointed, because here we are all trying to learn something. And you can always ask me for the answers and also the explanation. If you would really like to know how the puzzle was solved, I will be happy to help you. 29 members answered this question correctly. Moving on to the next question. Question number 3 on your screens now. So what is the value of the third equation? Look at the picture. First one is division, second one is multiplication. What would be the third one for subtraction? What would be the answer? 55 members already answered, and you have 30 seconds more. Last 5 seconds. There ends the time. 78 members were able to pick their choice within the time frame out of 96 participants, and the leaderboard scores, the entire 6 positions were changed, replaced. 38 members were able to answer this question correctly, whereas the answer is 1. Moving on to the next question, question number 4 on your screens now. Now look at the given picture. So you need to find out how the equation could be made correct by just moving 2 sticks. So if you move the sticks, what will be the value? How the equation becomes when you move 2 sticks to make the equation correct. There ends the time. 83 members were able to answer within the time frame, and the leaderboard score says second, third and sixth positions were replaced, whereas 8 members answered it correctly. See, you should have to move the sticks, you should not remove the sticks. So the question says only by moving the sticks. That means you can move the stick from one place, and you need to place it some other place, but you should not remove the sticks from the equation. So that's why it's 9 minus 9 equals to 0 is the right one, and only 8 members were able to answer this correctly. So moving on to question number 5 on your screens now. What is the value of the question mark? So it's a circle given, and 5 digits were given around the circle, and 4 around the circle and 1 inside the circle. So based on that, what will be the question mark? What will be the value of the question mark? Time is up. 81 members were able to pick their choice within the time frame, and except second position, all the 5 positions on the top 6 were changed, and 26 members were able to answer it correctly. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. The 4 equations were given in the picture with the balls, and the values of the balls were given on the top. So you need to find out what is the value of the 4th ball. Last 10 seconds. There ends the time. 77 members were able to answer, and the leaderboard scores 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th positions were changed, whereas 46 members answered it correctly. Moving on to the next question, question number 7. In total 20 questions you have today. So with what you will replace the question mark in the given picture? It's a multiplication given. So you need to find out the value of that question mark. Last 10 seconds. There ends the time. The leaderboard score top 1 position and also 6th positions were replaced. 58 members answered this question correctly. Moving on to the next question, question number 8. Now here you have 2 pyramids, whereas you have 3 question marks on the right hand side, whereas you need to find the value of the red color question mark. What is the value of the red color question mark? Last 15 seconds. Time is up. 78 members answered, and the leaderboard scores changes. There are a few changes there. 33 members answered this question correctly. So moving on to the 9th question. So here comes on your screens. So you need to fill the empty box. So just look at the box. A few values were given, and what is the value of this empty box? Pick the right choice. So last 5 seconds. Time is up. 81 members answered out of 113 participants, and the leaderboard score shows top 1, 2 and 4th positions were replaced. 57 members answered this question correctly. Moving on to the 10th question, and I am going to announce the top 3 positions after this question. So solve the given puzzle. And what is the given puzzle? If 9,999 equals to 4, 8,888 equals to 8, 1,816 equals to 6, 1,212 equals to 0, then what is the value of 1,919? Last 5 seconds. There ends the time. So third position was replaced with a new person, whereas 14 members answered this question correctly. Moving on to the next question. So how can you add 8 8s to get the number 1000? So you need to add 8 8s. That means you need to do addition, and then you should get the answer 1000. So what will be the right option? By adding 8 8s, how do you get 1000? Last 5 seconds. Time is up. 77 members answered it within the time. And the leaderboard scores: second, third, fourth, fifth positions were replaced. 38 members answered this question correctly. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 12. A 35-year-old woman has 3 children. If you multiply the 3 children's ages, you get 36. If you add up the children's ages, it's 13. And her oldest child plays basketball for 3 years. How old are the kids? 30 seconds more. There is a simple catch in this question. Oh, I said I will announce the top 3 positions, and I forgot, I guess. I'll announce that after this question. Last 10 seconds. Time is up. 79 members answered. And the leaderboard scores: Vamshi Teja is on the top, followed by Srividvat, Lakshmi, Sriya. 25 members answered this question correctly. Maybe the question is lengthy, but there is one catch here. If you add up the children's age, it's 13. So that is the catch. You can solve it very quickly, right? Only one option gives the total 13, right? Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 13. Now look at the equation. If a to the power of 4 equals to 14, b to the power of equals to 78, then what is the c to the power of 4 value? There ends the time, and 77 members were able to pick their choice within the time. And the leaderboard score shows 3rd, 4th, 6th positions were replaced. 27 members answered this question correctly. Moving on to the 14th question on your screens now. What is the value of the missing number? There are 4 different numbers given: 19, 11, 11, and question mark, and then 12. So what is the missing number? How could you find the missing number? What is the catch? Look at the picture carefully. Last 13 seconds. Time is up. 75 members were able to answer, and the leaderboard scores 5th and 6th positions were replaced. 53 members answered this question correctly. Yeah, the answer is 9, and the given dice, on the top of these numbers is the key to find the answer. Moving on to the next question. Question number 15. Which glass will fill first? There is a picture given here. The drops of water falling in one particular glass, and the other glasses were linked to that. So which glass will fill first? Time is up. 74 members answered within the time, and the 4th position was replaced, and 8 members answered this question correctly. Okay, so the answer is 3. Third glass will fill it first. Okay, moving on to the next question. Question number 16. Here comes the big values are there. 5 plus 3 plus 2 equals to 151022 and 1,51,022. 9 plus 2 plus 4 equals to 1,83,652. 8 plus 6 plus 3 equals to 4,82,466. And 5 plus 4 plus 5 equals to 2,02,541. Then what is the value of 7 plus 2 plus 5? There ends the time. 66 members were able to answer. The leaderboard scores 5th and 6th positions were replaced. 37 members picked their choice correctly. Very good. Moving on to the next question. So you are running a race with 3 persons. You overtake the last second person. What position are you in? You are running a race with 3 persons. You overtake the second last person. What position are you in? Time is up. 71 members answered this question within the time. And the leaderboard scores 3rd position replaced. 8 members only answered it correctly. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Question number 18. So observe the given picture and what is the value of the question mark there? There ends the time. 73 members picked up their choice within the time and no change in the top 6 positions. 49 members answered this question correctly. Moving on to the next question. Question number 19. $398 equals to $964, 118 equals to $164, 356 equals to $936, whereas 423 equals to how much? Time is up. 73 members picked their choice within the time. Third, fourth, sixth positions were replaced. 25 members answered this question correctly. Moving on to the next question, the last question of the day. How many squares are there on a chessboard? Few members are answering it very quickly. Maybe they know the answer. They knew it already. 35 seconds more. Time is up. 71 members picked their choice within the time frame. In second and sixth positions were replaced. 10 members answered this question correctly. Okay, most of them answered it as 64. Okay, but there is an explanation to that, and I hope these 10 members got that. So let's check the final scores. Sri Vidwat on third position, Sahasra Samneni on second position, and Vamshi Teja is on first position. Congratulations, and I appreciate time and effort of each and every participant. If you would like to have your individual scores, you can ask me, I'll send it to you. And if you would like to know the solution of these problems or the puzzles, you can always ask me. Okay then, thank you once again and good night.